Welcome to Affogato. This demo is to show you how you can upload notices to your notice board. So you'll see on the dashboard there is a big red icon here which is called Create a Notice. We click into here and it will give us a preview on the right hand side of our display, some boxes we need to fill out, and a confirm button for sending the notice to the devices. First of all, you would like to name your notice. So I'm going to use a fire alarm test as an example. Now this is an internal name for your schedule in your notice bank. The title of the notice will be what is displayed on the notice board in the building for residents to see. So this is also quite a fitting name, and I may want to write something short, such as Dear Residents, there will be a fire alarm test on Tuesday at 10 a.m. every week. This is routine, and we may want to refer them to the portal for more information. We can also align the text to sit in the middle, as you will see here, but this is a nice quick snapshot of exactly what's happening and when in the building. You can update the duration of how long you want this notice to display for. However, 10 seconds is pretty optimal, where it's enough time to be read and not too long to miss other important notices. You can optionally also add tags to notices, so when you search them in your notice bank in the future, they're easier to find. So you could simply type your own one in or choose from the pre-selected list. If you did want to, you can upload an image onto the board, and this would have to be JPEG or PNG and landscape preferable. But you can simply click this box, find an image that you want to upload, and you will see it will fit into the display next to the text. If, for example, this image has quite a lot of text on it and I do not need to write any, I can simply delete both body and title, and you'll see the image will fill the space of the notice board. So once you're happy with either the text or the image that you've uploaded and the preview on the right hand side, we will scroll down and complete the final two sections to get the notice uploaded. So we can either have this on the board 24/7 or we can have a custom schedule. So in here we can set start and end dates for notices to automatically start and be removed at the right times. We can do times of day. We can even do certain days in the week or certain days in the month. So if we're using our fire alarm test as an example, we may want this to end at the end of the financial year when this is reviewed. And as it's going to be on Tuesdays, we probably only need this to show on the board for a couple of days prior to the event, so it's not clogging up the board in other times. Further down, once we're happy with the schedule, we select where we want it to go. So this is a compliance piece. This could go to every notice board you have installed across your portfolio. If it's specific to one particular building and one lobby, for example, the lift is broken in that lobby, you only have to send it there. If it's the fire alarm schedule, for example, it affects both buildings at the same time on the site, we would simply select where we want it to go, head back to the top, hit confirm, and this will be on the notice board within 30 seconds to a minute on the next cycle. Thank you.